Meaning of firefighter.
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 Firefighter. A firefighter is a trained professional who specializes in putting out fires and rescuing people from dangerous situations. They work in fire departments and respond to emergency calls to extinguish fires, provide medical assistance, and save lives. Firefighters also educate the public on fire safety and prevention. They wear protective gear and use specialized equipment such as hoses, ladders, and axes to do their job. Being a firefighter requires physical and mental strength, as well as the ability to work well under pressure and in high-stress situations.